Howdy y'all in cyberspace. We're taking a quick look at the Juiced Bikes dual battery kit version 2.0. This version I have integrated a switch in there, so I can basically just click that and you can see the bike will be powered on. I've added some custom lights, but yeah, you can see the LCD. And so this switch basically allows you to hook up the secondary battery. I have it here hooked up in the back. Mine's a triangle battery, 52 volt, 30 amp hours, awesome battery. I definitely recommend getting an aftermarket battery pack like that, just so you can extend your rides. But basically, I just wanted to show you this version that comes with the switch, and you can switch it on and off, and that basically allows you to activate this battery. This is the splitter. We have a custom splitter, custom lengths, you know, the switches, and then obviously you have your stock battery that you can use. So if I press this, you know, I'm using now just the regular battery it comes with. Now once this battery is depleted, let's say I go on a long ride and I'm like, hey, I'm ready to, you know, juice it up and use my secondary battery now, you just simply turn this off, and then I can switch my you know, secondary battery on, and now I'm running off of this battery. So this is just a quick look at version 2.0 of the dual battery kit, and everything's custom and basically ready to go. This is where I connect to my secondary battery. It just comes out over here. I usually have like a case that I use to carry my battery with, but in this case, just for the demonstration, I haven't hooked that up. But yeah, thanks for joining me and have a wonderful day.